Okay, greetings everyone. This is KD5UBL, and this will start our tour of the MFJ Analyzer. This is my station. Here is the analyzer. First I will go over some of the basic features of the analyzer. So on the front panel here, we have the LCD display where you get all of your useful information. There's also an SWR meter and an impedance meter. Those are analog meters, and the needles will deflect as you run through your frequency sweeps on the whenever you're testing an antenna. Then we have our main knobs down here at the bottom. You have your frequency band switch. There are, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different positions on the band switch, which will control the frequency generator inside the MFJ analyzer here. This model that I have is the MFJ 269. There are also several other models available that they make. This one covers 1.8 megahertz through 170 megahertz continuously, plus it also covers 400, I believe 420 to 470 megahertz. Then and you just use that switch to change the bands and change the frequency. And then you have your tuning knob, which actually sweeps through the frequency as you increase or decrease it. Going up to the push buttons, we have the gate and the mode buttons. The gate button is used exclusively in the frequency mode operation, and the mode button is one of the more common buttons you will use as we step through the workshop a little bit later. Then going up, here is the power button, and there is also the UHF button. To utilize this analyzer in UHF, or the 440 band, what you need to do is you need to change your band switch all the way to the left where it says 114 to 170, and then it has UHF underneath it. So your band switch needs to be in that position, and then you would go up here and press the UHF button to go to the 440 band. Going to some of the other connectors here on top, you have your antenna connector. It is an N-type connector. The 269 has the N-type connector, and I believe the 259 has a SO239. And the reason for this is SO239 connectors are very lossy when you get up to the 400 megahertz range, so that is why they went with the N-type connector, because this has the 400 megahertz capability. Then you have your ground switch right here, your frequency counter input when we get to that mode, and you can also supply external power through the wall wart type adapter through the power switch here. And this is also, you can also use this to charge nickel metal hydride or nickel cadmium batteries if you put those into the analyzer to use those. It will charge those when the power is connected to that jack. And turning it around, you can kind of see a little raised compartment right here, and that is the battery panel. And you unscrew, it's got 2 screws, unscrew that to install the batteries. It takes 10 AA type cells. You can use rechargeables, like I said, and you can recharge them while they are in the unit itself. And so that's a little bit of the basics of the analyzer and the buttons that are on the front panel, as well as the connectors it has.